In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your ManyChat account subscription. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and what happens after you cancel. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat account using your usual login details. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the settings option, which is represented by a small gear icon. When you see it, click on it to open your account settings. After you open settings, you'll notice another panel or menu still on the left side. Here you'll see several options related to your account. Look for the section related to billing and then click on subscriptions. This is where ManyChat keeps all the information about your current plan and payments. Inside the subscriptions page, you'll see the details of your active subscription. This usually includes the type of product or plan you're subscribed to, what's included in that plan, the price, your billing period or expiration date, and the current status of the subscription. You may also see buttons that let you disable or activate certain features, but what we're interested in is the option to fully cancel. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of this page. You should see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on that. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This is ManyChat's way of confirming that you really want to cancel, and they'll first ask you to choose a reason for canceling. Take a moment to pick the option that best matches your situation. Once you've made your selection, click the next button at the bottom right of the pop-up to continue. The pop-up will then reload with a new screen. Here, ManyChat will outline exactly what you'll lose access to once your subscription is cancelled. This might include paid features, automation options, or other tools that are only available on your current plan. Read through this carefully so there are no surprises later. If you've reviewed everything and you're sure you want to proceed, look again at the bottom right of the pop-up and click the button that says Cancel My Subscription. Once you click that, your cancellation request will be processed and your subscription will be set to end according to ManyChat's billing rules. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your ManyChat subscription.